Most people live their entire lives in the light, chasing jobs, grinding paychecks, and following the same broken blueprint society hands them. But in the shadows, there are opportunities, hidden hustles that the masses ignore. And today, I'm going to expose 5 AI side hustles that are exploding in 2025. Hustles that don't require huge money to start, can scale fast, and can put cash in your pocket while the rest of the world is still stuck in traffic on their way to work. Welcome to Profit Shadows, where the hidden world of wealth comes to light. First up, AI copywriting with chatbots. Businesses need words, ads, emails, product descriptions, blog posts. Most don't have time or talent for writing, and hiring an agency is too expensive. That's where you strike. Using tools like ChatGPT and Grammarly, you can create polished, persuasive copy in minutes. You charge $50, $100, even $200 per project. And here's the shadow move. Never advertise yourself as AI-powered. Call it something sleek, something exclusive. Position yourself as the secret weapon behind the scenes, even with just 5 clients paying $200 each month. That's $1,000 recurring income. And once you've got the system down, scaling to 10 or 20 clients is nothing more than sending more emails. Remember, in the light, they pay too much for average. In the shadows, you deliver fast, sharp, and under the radar. Next, AI-powered Etsy shops. Forget physical products. Forget inventory. Digital is pure profit. With tools like Canva AI, you can create planners, journals, templates, and design bundles in hours. Upload them to Etsy once, and they can sell 100 times without you lifting another finger. The key is niche. Don't just make a generic planner. Make a crypto budget tracker. Make a wedding side hustle playbook. Make a dark aesthetic journal. Specific sells. Picture this: 10 products, each selling 5 copies a week at $10 each. That's $500 every week for work you did once. Multiply that by dozens of listings, and you've built yourself a silent empire. The world scrolls Etsy looking for solutions. You become the shadow supplier. The third hustle is exactly what you're watching right now. Faceless YouTube channels. Most creators burn out showing their face, editing for hours, filming, overthinking. That's not how we play this game. Instead, use AI to write scripts, generate voiceovers, and even edit your videos. You can publish 3, 4, even 5 videos a week, and never once turn on a camera. Yes, ad revenue comes once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. But the real money comes from affiliate links and sponsorships. Tools, courses, finance books. The shadows are full of products desperate for promotion. And here's the villain's move. Don't stop at one channel. Stack them. While one grows, the next is already rising. 2 or 3 faceless channels running at once. That's $5,000 to $10,000 a month in your pocket. Quietly, efficiently. In the dark, hustle number 4, AI job hunting tools and cover letter services. Right now, millions of people are job hunting, praying their resumes stand out. They don't know that AI can create recruiter-ready resumes in minutes, but you do. Offer shadow-crafted resumes. Build them using ChatGPT, Claude, or Jasper. Add polish with Canva templates. Deliver within 24 hours. Charge $50 to $100 per client. Land 10 clients in a week, and you've made $1,000. Upsell LinkedIn profile, rewrites, or interview prep. People will pay because they're desperate for work. And the beauty? Every order takes you less than 30 minutes to complete. You've just built a business where fear of rejection fuels your profit. dark, but useful. And finally, AI affiliate sites. Imagine a blog filled with articles about side hustles, finance hacks, and tools. You don't have to write a single word yourself. AI handles the content. SEO tools, like Surfer, polish it. You drop affiliate links inside. Amazon books, finance apps, AI, software. Every click that turns into a purchase pays you. Even a small site with 20 to 30 articles can make $500 to $2,000 a month once the traffic builds. Then, clone the model. Launch 3 sites, 10 sites. Each one becomes another stream feeding your empire. This is the purest form of shadow wealth. Silent, scalable, and invisible to everyone but you. These aren't fantasies. These are running, proven hustles people are using in 2025 to print money while the rest of the world sleeps. But here's the truth. Most won't tell you. Opportunity only rewards action. You can keep watching, keep scrolling, keep dreaming, or you can pick one, start today, and join those of us who profit in silence. So which hustle will you choose? Drop it in the comments. Subscribe for more hidden wealth strategies. And remember, in the shadows lies opportunity.